Hello everyone, it's 3rd November. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page we have nanometer tank of helium reveals weird waves never seen before. Again very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have Hurricane Melissa, a beast among a string of monster Atlantic storms. Again very important for environment perspective. Moving forward we have ISRO launches GSAT S7R, India's heaviest communication satellite. Again very important for defense perspective. Moving forward we have as air quality worsens, Congress take aim at governance. Cloud seeding a heading grabbing move. Again very important for environment perspective. Moving forward we have numbers are not enough. Although India's rise in the global higher education rankings is encouraging, it should inspire reform rather than complacency. Again very important for education perspective. Moving forward we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. The first editorial says engage the Taliban, don't recognize them. Very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the vision of model youth Gram Sabha. Again very important for polity and governance perspective. Moving forward the pitfall of climate alarmism. Again very important for environment perspective. Then we have as AI adoption by companies accelerates, tech layoffs continue. Again very important news. Moving forward we have welfare dependency or governance reform. Again very important news. Then we have our social media platforms dying a slow death. Again a very important news for science and tech perspective. Moving forward we have barring MP Leahy has now no elected representatives. Again a very important news. Then we have ICMR seeks partners to develop antibody against Nipah virus. Again very important for health perspective. Moving forward we have tri-services exercise Trishul begins today to strengthen joint combat preparedness. Again very important news for a defense perspective. Then we have experts join hand for Ramsar site tag for wetlands in Assam sanctuary. Again very important for environment perspective. Moving forward we have the world page, then where we have Canada and Philippines sign key defense pact in bid to deter China. Then we have Iran vows to rebuild its nuclear facilities with great strength. Then we have two held over mass stabbing attack on UK train, terror angle ruled out. Again very important. Then we have Trump warns Nigeria of aid cut and military action over persecution of Christians. Then we have Hexet says US and China agree to set up direct military channels. Then lastly we have Trump to host Al-Shara in first ever visit by Syrian president to White House, says official. Again all these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye, take care.